Hey, Python learners! Welcome back to day 70 of our 100 Days of Python series. Today, we're diving into an important topic: web scraping ethics and best practices. Web scraping is a powerful tool, but with great power
comes great responsibility.
Let's make sure you're scraping the web both legally and ethically. Let's get started. Before you start scraping a website, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. Web scraping can be incredibly useful, but it can also be harmful if done irresponsibly. Ethical scraping means respecting the rights and resources of the website owners. Websites invest time, money, and effort into creating their content, and scraping that content without permission can strain their resources or violate their rights. Key points to cover: respect the website's content. Acknowledge that the content you're scraping belongs to someone else. Always check if you're allowed to use it. Consider the impact. Repeatedly scraping large amounts of data can overwhelm a server, affecting the performance for other users. Use data responsibly. Ensure the data you collect is used in a way that doesn't harm the original content creator or violate privacy. Next up, let's talk about some of the technical and legal aspects of web scraping. Every website has its own set of rules, usually outlined in its terms of use, and sometimes enforced through a file called Robots.txt. The Robots.txt file is a website's way of communicating what can and cannot be accessed by web crawlers. Before you start scraping, always check this file. In this example, we're requesting the Robots.txt file from a website to see what pages or sections are off limits. Always respect these instructions. Ignoring them can lead to legal issues or getting your IP blocked. Finally, let's talk about legal risks. Web scraping falls into a gray area legally, but by following some best practices, you can avoid crossing any lines. Legal issues can arise when web scraping is done without regard to the website's terms or the purpose of the scraping. To stay on the right side of the law, follow these best practices. Best practices: rate limiting. Don't overwhelm a website with requests. Implement a delay between requests to avoid hitting the server too hard. Respecting user privacy. If the data involves personal information, be extremely cautious. Make sure you're compliant with privacy laws like GDPR. Avoiding protected content. Don't scrape data behind paywalls or login forms unless you have explicit permission. By following these practices, you'll be able to scrape data responsibly, minimizing legal risks while respecting the rights of content creators. That's it for day 70. Today, we covered the essentials of web scraping ethics and best practices. Remember, the internet is a shared resource, and it's up to us to use it responsibly. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with others. I'll see you tomorrow for day 71 as we continue our Python journey. Keep learning, and happy coding!